Welcome to another video, you guys. Thank you, Goldie Gang, for tuning in once again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. This ain't even gonna take that much. You ain't gonna need that much. You only need like what, 5 things? Not even that. To achieve my curls, I'm going to be using a curling wand. I did break the top, so I have to be very careful with these, but I'm just going to be using this curling wand. I freaking love this stuff. It's just the best freeze spray for your hair. It doesn't leave a lot of residue. I'm not going to say it doesn't leave any residue, but it doesn't leave a lot of residue. And you're going to need some type of gel, some clear gel. I don't recommend using brown gel. I will recommend using clear gel. Got to be glued, styling glue, just for the edges, and then a brush and hair ties, and that's it. This is for my people who don't have a lot of time in the day. I am in a rush because I'm currently already late to my hair appointment, so I just thought I'd turn on the camera since I am running late anyway and record a video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, give that bell a ring, turn on your post notifications if you want to be notified the next time I post a video. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you guys how to curl your hair really pretty, body and everything, in less than what, 5 minutes. Not gonna take long at all. The first thing you want to do, I'm going to assume I already did a step. I blended my leave out at the top, and that my hair is currently in a straight state. So if your hair is like curly, I wouldn't recommend starting like that. At least blow dry it out or straighten it out before you start curling. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's get started. I take my Got To Be Glued spray and I shake it really good, because I find sometimes if I don't shake it, it doesn't work as good. So make sure you just give it a good shake. Okay, and then you want to get a section, not too small, not too big, and then you want to get your zip tie. I'm so late to my hair appointment, y'all, so excuse me if I'm like really rushing, but I'm like really late. Okay, so get your brush, get your Got To Be spray, rub it in real good. This is literally all I do, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, what? Mine is on 400 degrees. So in the front, like, this is the most important part when you're curling. Everything else is like really simple to do. Take your curling wand. I like to curl away, to my face in the front. So you just wrap it around. Twist while you wrap it around too. That's very important. Kind of slide it a little bit, move it a little bit, twist it until you form your curl. And then you want to drop it. You don't want to drop it all the way, y'all. You want to let it sit a little bit in your hand before you just drop it. And then voila, that's all you do. All right, since we're in the rush, we're gonna keep going around my head. Make sure your section is not too small but not too big, if that makes sense. If you're a visual learner, this would be a perfect video for you, until I master how to explain it a lot better. Okay, once again, Got To Be Glue spray. And you should have, like I said, you should have already straightened your leave out, so that's why I'm not really like worried about it right now. Right, so to your face, swirl it around, twist and turn, twist and turn. I count to 8 if you just want a specific number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 10, 9, 10, maybe 11. Don't let it go. You gotta let it like sit. Literally, I'm going to continue this all around my head. This won't take long, so I just feel like I just need to speed this part up. Maybe, we'll see. I might do one more. Let me just do one more for you guys, just so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing for you guys. I plan on doing a lot more in the future. You can find curling wands everywhere, y'all. If you just want the specific one I have, I actually did not buy this one. This was a gift from a friend. She just gave it to me, which was so sweet. If you want a good curling wand, you can look on Amazon. I know it's some good ones on Macy's. Yeah, Macy's and Sally's. And also Walgreens has them too. But the big barrel ones, I just will go on Amazon and get it. Y'all see that? You just gotta make sure that curl sets. The holding spray only does so much for the hair, y'all, so you kind of gotta help it out. With the rest of the footage, I'm just going to speed it on up, and then when I get to the end, I'll come back. All right, follow along.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where I started.
I just wanted to stop it real quick just to give you guys a little hair tip. So when you get to the front pieces, I don't add any hairspray. The first reason is I break out from hairspray, so I don't prefer it on the front pieces. But that's not the only reason. I find that it just falls better when you don't add spray to the front pieces compared to all the other pieces, and it's less crunchy in the front, so that's why I do it that way.
Written in the stars, you will be forever, yeah. You will be written in the stars, you will be forever, yeah. You will be. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no...
My camera is about to die pretty soon, but if something is out of place, I apologize. I have no mirror. I love it. These are effortless curls. It does not take long, and I promise you guys it will be beneficial to you. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give that bell a ring so you can be notified the next time I post a video. Thank you, Goldie Gang. Bye.